Ever had your brows betray you at the worst moment? I know I have, right before prom, no less. That was until I discovered this game-changing brow pen. It's water-resistant, so whether you're sweating through spin class or caught in a sudden downpour, your brows stay flawless. Plus, its precise tip ensures every stroke is sharp and defined, like it was professionally done. I swear, it's my secret weapon for those unexpected close-ups. Don't let your brows fool you into thinking you've got this. Grab yours now and be prepared for anything: cameras, rain, even intense workouts.
For a brow game changer? Meet our new brow pen. Trust me, I was skeptical too until I tried it. First off, it's water resistant. I went kayaking and my brows stayed flawless. It's precise, like hitting a tiny target every single time, and it's defined, giving my brows that perfect edge without any mess. Seriously, it's become my go-to for anything from beach days to date nights. Don't just take my word for it. Grab yours now and see the magic yourself.